Class 10 Mathematics Chapter 10 Mensuration Exercise 10.2 Question number 6. A sphere, a cylinder and a cone have the same radius and same height. Find the ratio of their volumes. Hint: the diameter of the sphere is equal to height of the cylinder and cone. Sixth one solution. We know that volume of sphere V1 is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube, and volume of cylinder V2 is equal to pi r square h, and volume of cone V3 is equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h. Ratios of their volumes is equal to ratios of their volumes is equal to V1 is to V2 is to V3 is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube is to pi r square h is to 1 by 3 pi r square h. Given the diameter of the sphere is equal to height of the cylinder and cone. We know that d is equal to 2r. Therefore, h is equal to 2r is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube is to pi r square into h replace 2r is to 1 by 3 pi r square to 2r is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube is to 2 into pi r cube is to 1 by 3 into 2 into pi r cube. All ratios multiply by 3. Multiple by 3. 4 by 3 into 3. 4 3 cancel. 4 pi r cube is to 3 to the 6. 6 pi r cube is to 3 cancel. 2 pi r cube. Pi r cube is equal to 4 is to 6 is to 2. Multiple of 2. 2 2 is 4. 2 3 is 6. 2 1 is 2 is equal to 2 is to 3 is to 1. Therefore, the ratio of their volumes is equal to 2 is to 3 is to 1.